Okay, let me tell y'all what happened. I went in the Dollar Tree. I was minding my own business, not messing with nobody. You see, I grabbed my basket. I got tunnel vision. I know exactly what I'm coming in here for. I'm minding my own business. I'm focused. Go get what you came in here for. Now, y'all see how my basket slow down? This was the first mistake. But I said, okay, don't worry about it. Get yourself together. Get your head back in the game. Refocus. So boom, y'all see me. I'm making my left turn, right? So I hear something go psst, psst. And I'm like, I know ain't nobody talking to me because I look over my shoulder. I'm like, ain't nobody talking to me because I don't know nobody in here. So as I keep going and say some psst, it was this right here, y'all. It was this. This is when I knew it was down here. And y'all, I've been looking for y'all for months, but now y'all want to jump out of nowhere and grab my attention because you know I'm not here for you because I done gave up on you. Yo, then out of nowhere, all this stuff just start jumping in my basket. I want to warn y'all, be careful. Guard your focus when you go in a Dollar Tree, Target, 99-cent store. Listen, y'all, they trying to get us. They trying to get us out of nowhere. I turned my back for 2 seconds. All this stuff jumped in my basket. Now I'm showing y'all all the stuff that was calling me that was jumping in my baskets. You see that? You see that? Now I know when y'all go, it's something calling y'all too. Them too. They all calling me. They all calling me. I know it's something that calls y'all too. So I'm warning you. Look, calling me. Come get me. Come get me. Come get me. Because you ain't tried me yet. You got to try me. I know you tried the other ones, but you ain't tried me. That's what it's saying. Look at all of them. They ganging up on me at this point. I'm in the aisle. I need help. I'm crying for help. Ain't nobody coming to help me. And they all just jumping in my basket. And I'm like, wait a minute. Ain't nobody going to help me. Y'all hear me crying for help. And I'm saying, no. I can't take all y'all home. I can't take all y'all home. Y'all out of my budget. But they did. So I took them. Be careful.